Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. Your examinations are underway. Your first paper was conducted by J.K. Bose on 12th of December in the form of English. Dear students, now your political science is being taken tomorrow. For that, you have to work hard. You have to memorize notes. You have to go through the books to crack these examinations with nice percentage of marks or crack the political science paper with a nice percentage of marks. Dear students, you are new to the political science because you have now taken political science as one of the subjects. Initially, you will find some difficulty in learning the political terminology and concepts, but with the passage of time, there would be maturity in you in terms of your subject, and you will learn all the things because it's human brain, it can do everything. Dear students, today we are dealing with very important concept that might be asked in your examinations, that is the judicial review. Dear students, like fundamental rights, the concept of judicial review has been borrowed from the Constitution of the United States. Remember, the Indian Constitution is a bag of borrowing because most of its concepts have been borrowed from the rest of the constitutions of the world, and judicial review is a concept that has been borrowed from the Constitution of United States like the fundamental rights. But what is the judicial review? Dear students, it is the power in the hands of the courts or the third organ of the government that it reviews the decision made by the cabinet or the decision taken by the cabinet or sometimes the law implemented by the cabinet is lawfully and unlawfully. If the decision made by the government is unlawful, so it is lawfulness is checked. If it is unlawful, then it is declared as void, null and void. Remember, judicial review is a power in the hands of the courts or in the courts where it checks the law whether it has been implemented in the right direction or in the wrong direction. If the law goes in the wrong direction or it has been implemented wrongly, the court can decide it or court can declare it what, null and void. So I am repeating things, dear students, for you. Judicial review concept has been borrowed from the American Constitution like the fundamental rights. Simply you have to keep in the mind that judicial review is a power in the hands of the courts to review the decision made by the cabinet or check the lawfulness of the decision. If decision is unlawful, it is declared then null and void by the judiciary. Dear students, when sometimes the parliament or we can say the Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha goes for any type of amendment, that means they bring change in the existing law or in the constitution, then the judiciary sees whether this amendment has been done lawfully or unlawfully, whether this decision retains the constitutional structure or not. If it hurts or it goes against the basic structure of the constitution, the judiciary or the courts will declare it unconstitutional or declare it null and void. So you have to keep in the mind that the judicial review is the power because in the same process the decision or the law implemented is being reviewed, and if it hurts the constitution or it goes against the basic structure of the constitution, then the same law is declared null and void. Dear students, you often watch on TV debates that the amendment has been done and this amendment is hurting the basic structure of the constitution, and somebody goes and files a petition in the court that the amendment has been done which hurts the basic structure of the constitution, then the judiciary reviews it, it sees it again, and if the law that has been amended hurts the basic structure of the constitution, then the law is declared null and void. Dear students, recently Article 370 and 35 have been abrogated, and various parties has filed a petition in the Supreme Court that this is unlawful. This amendment has been done unlawfully. So now the court will check it is lawfulness, whether it has been amended lawfully or unlawfully. If court sees in the end that the amendment has been done unlawfully or it hurts the basic structure of the constitution, the same amendment can be declared as null and void. Dear students, this is the concept of judicial review. Dear students, now it is Kashmiri. Dear students, yus judicial review courts is third organ of the government, tat nish power, tum wichan kah ti decision yus cabinet nevan chu, ya kah ti law yus implement gasan chu, isha lawfully gumut kin ish gumut unlawfully, isha gumut sud, isha right direction mas gumut kin ish wrong direction mas gumut. Agar is sud chun gumut ki ish gumut wrong direction mas, tel court kara declare null and void. Yes, court kara ki yina se chal na ki ye decision mokliyo. Yus concept chu judicial review yeh gom borrow karit kat pet American constitution pet kes yus sain constitution at wan bag of borrowing kes wan yemek variah concept yem amad bakyo constitution pet borrow karne. For example asno yus federation concept chu Canada pet amot, yus directive principles of state policy chu Irish constitution pet amot, yus fundamental rights amad United States of America to judicial review tati pet amut American constitution. Go so judicial review courts under power issue wuchan yus decision new ya ka no amendment ay kun existing laws mas ay change karne ye law mas chu bunyadi structure constitution tat khilaf mas gasan. Agar bunyadi structure us constitution chu tat khilaf chi gasan, tel chwan declare karne kya null and void ke yer se matlab ye chwa manna कि डिसीजन ये लॉ यह गुमत अनलॉफुल यह चल ब्रोकन की इस आर्टिकल 307 तो 53A एब्रोग्रेड गो यानी खत्म कोर 5 अगस्त 2019 अमिच कह वारियो मतलब पार्टियों इवन वारियो इंसानों पेटिशन दायर कर्मस कि यह सह अनलॉफुली यह अमेंडमेंट गमस यह सह हट कर बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन चूँकि सुप्रीम कोर्ट वुच कि यह गमस सुद अमेंडमेंट किन कहें अगर ये amendment is basic structure of the constitution tat khilaf gasan ch to ye null and void declare karn. Dear students, hope you might have grasped the concept. In case of any confusion that may strike your mind after watching this video, you can call me on 7006671106 or WhatsApp me on the same number, and when you post your query by any means, by WhatsApping or by calling, within short duration of time your query or confusion shall be cleared. You are also free to mail your query on kgm3864 at the rate of gmail.com, and when you mail your query on my email ID, and within short duration of time your query shall be answered. But better is to see these things on your available political science reference books and do work hard and make self-study, and self-study can take your seeking board to the back because you are badly hot because of the or badly hit we can say, or hot we can say, that is also correct, because of COVID-19 infection. My prayers are with you. Thanks. Be blessed.